Welcome back to another backtesting archives. Today we took a trade. Let me load up the Discord quick time. So yeah, loading up the Discord. We can see what we was looking for today. We've got BTC here, but we're going to took the trade on gold today. I've not traded BTC. So for gold today, my drawing liquidity was down here, aiming for this low. So I had a bearish bias because we rebalanced that price range and came down. So as the time opened, I was looking to displace. So as that time opened, I was looking for price, as this opened here, to come up to this green and then reverse down and take out the drawn liquidity down at the bottom. Unfortunately, as price opened, we didn't see it do anything like that. We just started heading towards buy side down there. So I'll show you that trade now on the graph. Here we've got the open as it opened here, the buy side and sell side, buy side here, sell side there, and the range. So as we opened up here, we actually came below first. So my initial idea was to take a long towards this 50% before we touch this low here, which it looks like we're coming up to sort of do now. Take out this liquidity here before going to that draw of liquidity on the day, which is, hold up, just there. Got that drawn liquidity. We've came close to today. The wick stopped there, so we've not quite taken that yet. So going down to the 3, I'll show you what I actually looked to enter this trade. So this was a losing trade today, unfortunately, but this shit happens. It happens sometimes. So far we pitched 3 trades this week on gold. One of them would have won and was a 20 RR, but didn't get triggered. The other one was a loss, and this is a loss, so hopefully we should have a better day tomorrow. But this is the trade I was looking for. So we had this 3-minute breaker there, and as we pumped through the breaker, we left a fair value gap just there, which I based my trade from. So I did a long from here. As soon as we broke out that breaker, long from here, SL below that low, and then my target was the 50% here for a 1 to 7. Just there, and that was the aim for today. So we had the initial reaction, so obviously the entry confirmation was there, but just the bias in terms of mid time frame bias is it was to come lower before going up. So now we've started to come up now. It's a bit unfortunate, but if we can get to this 50% by the day today, I'll look to take a trade. If not, I'll be keeping that level in for tomorrow, and also drawing the new levels as the 10 AM candles opens. But it's likely, I think, we'll push up here before or within the next just under 12 hours. It's what, 9 hours, 8 hours ish. We should hopefully come up to these highs to take a short. But that was today's recap. Pretty short, sweet and snappy, nothing crazy. I'll go over BTC quick time. The BTC longs, I was looking down here, we've not touched the areas, there's no point in going over that. But short, we've already touched the MPOC in premium, which I'll show on the graph in a minute. I want to take the licks quickly just above this and frame a reversal. This morning my idea was to take these licks and enter a premium, which we've just done now, and it would have been better if we could have taken these highs as well, but we haven't so far. So I'm looking to frame a reversal right now, but there's nothing too crazy on the charts right now, if I'm going to be honest. Coming into the 5-minute, we've not got these bearish divergences between these highs, which I'm usually a fan of, so I'll just be waiting for the better trade above these liquidations here. The 15-minute does look nice, if I'm honest. We've got these bearish divergences, money flows coming down between these two highs, so double divergence there. But I still think it's possible we do take this out before we have any sort of drop, if we have a drop. But you see, yesterday we did touch that MPOC quite perfectly before having a bit of resistance. But yeah, that's been today's recap. A bit short, but I've took one trade today and it was a loss, so it is what it is. Got to keep it consistent and see how it goes. Safe.